Probably need to go a little bit wider. Yeah, we do this, your boy Rocky, 1432 Vision. And we're gonna be doing some real estate photos. So we're gonna show you how to do it, man. Today we're gonna be shooting on the Canon 80D 1018. Right now this camera here is filming the Canon EOS R 1835mm. All right, let's get it. Yeah. So we're gonna go to 1018 real quick. 1018 for all the wide shit. That's what it is. That's what it is. And we're just gonna continue making our way through, finding those looks. It's the best time to live, for real. It's a million ways to get a meal. Coming from the project, all we wanna do is live, for real. And that's what it is, yeah. Hey, that's what it is, yeah. Hey, that's what it is, yeah. It's a million ways to get a meal, for real. And that's what it is, yeah. Hey, I remember all them days we ain't had nothing. Y'all went to play. We was out there hustling, staying out late. Way out to the street lights. We was trying to keep lights. So this look like the master right here. Cause everybody want the master bedroom. Be the biggest. Yeah, if he is. Every time I ride through, you know my windows tinted. I keep her head bending. She started, then I finished. Came a long way, that's how we live. That's just what it is. Right. So it was crazy. This big ass house ain't number 2 bedroom. I was just struggling, all I knew. Why we keep running into these doors? I don't want to break the shit, but it's a million ways to get a meal. Coming from the big ugly ass house. Would you live here? Yeah. Hey, that's what it is, yeah. Hey, that's what it is, yeah. It's a million. Well, the sidewalk, my bad. That's what it is, yeah. Cool.